probably heard of the gravitational force, but did you know that the electric force is about 10 to the 39 times? That is a duodecillion, or larger than a trillion cube times stronger than gravity. It is so much stronger, in fact, that the force required to remove just 1% of the electricity from your body is the same as the force required to separate two masses roughly equivalent to the Earth's two hemispheres. And yet, we don't know exactly where electric charges really come from. At a fundamental theoretical level, electricity is produced by invisible charges called electric monopoles that are all around us. These charges are always interacting with each other even though they are invisible. What's perhaps even more surprising is that we don't know exactly what causes lightning, a naturally occurring phenomenon that you've probably seen dozens of times in your life. What we do know is this: lightning occurs as a result of the friction produced by clouds moving against each other, inducing charges on the bottom side of a cloud. Because the electric force is so strong, these charges in turn induce charges in the ground even thousands of miles away. The resulting lightning, which travels at the speed of light, does not reach the ground instantaneously. After charges travel a short stretch downwards through the air, induced charges from the ground travel upwards. This combination of paths over time leads to that familiar zigzag shape until lightning finally makes contact with the ground or another object when two paths connect. Where are you safest during a lightning storm? Not by a tree in a field. Lightning will be more likely to hit the tree than its flatter surroundings, and if you're nearby, you could get hit too. Your house is safer with a lightning rod, but why? Metal is better at allowing charges to flow than other materials. The lightning rod protects the house because, unlike a wooden tree, a metal lightning rod disperses charged particles into the air. So, charges will not build up. If lightning strikes, it will strike the house without the lightning rod. When lightning is striking again, you will know about the electric monopoles and electricity causing it. Finally, remember that if you want to investigate lightning, stay safe and don't be like Benjamin Franklin, whose kite attracted electric charges from lightning in 1752 while conducting his famous lightning experiments. Thank you so much for your attention and have a good rest of your day.